Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to give you a latest update from Usman University about CPG 2021 exam. So which is conducted on 4th and 5th of October. They have released today a response sheet in master question paper with preliminary key and object format. So they have released the response sheet, key and object format. So you can check your key. So you can check your master question paper with preliminary key for CPA 2020 exam. You can select here MA English, Hindi, Telugu, Urdu, Economics, History, Political Science, Botany, MSc Chemistry, MSc Computer Science, and MS BCES, FSG, and M. So when you click on this any one of the subject whichever you want. So this is the preliminary key question paper preview for which is conducted on 4th of October. You can see here 4th of October 2021. So they have given here notation. That is, options shown in green color and with right icon are correct, and options shown in red color and with wrong icon are incorrect. So they have released this preliminary question paper. Name is MA Political Science, which is conducted on 4th October 2021, shift 3. Subject name Political Science, and creation date 4th of October, and duration 90 minutes. Total marks 100. So they have given all this. You can see MA Political Science, group number, group ID, group maximum duration, show attended groups, and all the times, break time, group marks. So part 1 they have mentioned all these things. You can see section type is online, and question number 1, question ID. So they will give for each and every question, they will give each and every unique question ID for make it easy to understand the question format. So correct marks you will get 1 mark, for wrong marks you will get 0. So there is no negative marking. So here you can see one example. Who among the following regarded legitimate power as authority? So you can see here option 1 Mac Ivor, second Max Weber, third one is Robert Dahl, then fourth one is Robert Michel. So the correct answer is Robert Dahl. Here they will have mentioned this in green color with the right icon. That means this is the correct answer, and remaining 1, 2, 4 are incorrect answers. So likewise you can cross check for each and every question. So they have given all the questions with their key. And for 5th October exam, same, green color with right icon is correct answer, and red color with wrong icon is incorrect answer. And question paper name is MA Economics, 5th October 2021, shift 1. Subject name is MA Economics. Creation date, that is exam which is conducted on 5th of October. You can see here duration 90 minutes, total marks 100, and all the things they have mentioned in MA Economics part 1, part A they have mentioned, and with questions they have mentioned, and with answers you can see the second answer which is in green color ticked right. So this is the correct answer. So likewise you can cross check each and every question, and you can calculate how attempted correctly. So if you want to download your response sheet, just click on this response sheet and enter your registration number, your CPZ hall ticket number, and when you press this get key details, you will get your key details. Your response sheet will be downloaded. So here they have mentioned key objection format CPZ 2021. The state level CPZ 2020 common postgraduate entrance test through computer based test were conducted during 18th to 27th of September 2021. So this is same for 4th and 5th of October students as well, because in between the two of the exams were 19th and 20th exam were postponed. So this is applied. This will be applied for 4th, 5th October exam students as well. So respective candidate specific question paper response submitted by the students and the corresponding answer as per preliminary key will be available on this is a website. The master copy before jumping a question paper along with the preliminary. So they have each objections, if any, on the preliminary key can be submit on or before 8th of October by 4 p.m. So that is tomorrow. Before tomorrow you can submit if you have any objections regarding preliminary key in written with supported document at office of the convener CPZ Usman University, or send to this email ID cpz21@gmail.com. The format should be like this: hall ticket number you have to place here, subject code and name, then student name and exam date that is conducted on 4th October or 5th October, and serial number, question ID. So you know each and every question is having its unique ID. So you have put here, then question number corresponding to master. So in master copy, what is the question number you have to select and put here, then answer as preliminary key to the question corresponding to the master copy, then answer suggested by the candidate, and justification along with the reference book page number in Telugu or English. Reference you can put here in Telugu or English books with page numbers. So note that the objection submitted in the above format only be considered. If you submit in this format only, it will be considered as submitted. The objection submitted in any other format will not be considered, and no correspondence in the in this respective will be entertained. So this is key objection format. How to, if you have any doubts about key, so you can mail on this ID in this format. So you can download your response sheet and you can cross check with preliminary key, and if you have any queries and if you have any objection format, so you can format your objection format is available here. So this is a new update from CPG 2021 from Osmania University. So hope you guys find this video informative. Most of you are watching the videos without subscribing. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload new videos. And you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.